Hi, I am Ale and I am the Product Marketing Manager for the Inkjet category here at Brother. And today, I'm going to walk you through the MFC-J1800DW Print and Cut All-in-One Inkjet printer with integrated paper cutter and all it has to offer. I'll take you through all the exciting innovations and features, and we'll also have our Manager of Product Development, Anthony, give us a working demo so you can see the print and cut printer in action. At Brother, we're constantly innovating to create products that meet the needs for our many consumers. The MFC-J1800DW Print and Cut is no exception. With a built-in paper cutter, you can print on letter-size paper and the printer will automatically cut it in half. Now, that's some cutting-edge technology. Aside from the integrated paper cutter, the Print and Cut is also, at its core, a great printer. It seamlessly combines full-feature print, copy, scan, and fax functionalities, along with the option of two-sided duplex printing, high-quality full-letter or precision-cut half-letter page prints. The blade sensor technology can even be used on thicker cardstock, up to 58 pounds, perfect for on-demand printing flyers and marketing materials for a small business. With fast print speeds, wireless and mobile connection options, you can get your work done quickly and efficiently, even if you are on the go. Download the Brother Mobile Connect app and connect your printer to manage your settings or print directly from your mobile device.